use drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is an efficient way to water your garden. It's like you can have little hoses going around your garden, or if you've got a veg patch or greenhouse, something like that, and it just drips and keeps watering. It delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, reducing water loss through evaporation, which is really good, especially when it's hot as well. And it prevents runoff when you overwater the garden, or the soil has got hard and you've missed a day of watering or something, or it's been extra hot and you've got slight hardening to the surface and the water doesn't absorb very well. Drip irrigation will prevent that from ever happening, so it's good. The drip irrigation systems are easy to install and can save up to 50% of water compared to traditional sprinklers if you use sprinkler systems. So really good, and all the water gets to where it needs to be rather than everywhere else. So soaker hoses as well, they work really well, like the drip irrigation. Soaker hoses, they're really good. You can kind of lie them through your garden, through your beds, and they just kind of soak the water, soaks out through the wall of the hose. Really effective, and that just gets to where it needs to be. It doesn't overwater, it just continuously like consistently through the day just keeps feeding water out. That's a really good way of doing it, and it prevents evaporation and keeps the roots cool and keeps them hydrated.